टाटे बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज से ओतरुक चैप्टर कंटिन्यू गेटिंग टू नो प्लांट्स क्लास 6 चैप्टर नंबर 7 ओतर पजो अत लेक्चर नंबर 1 तम दह पजो अत कि प्लांट्स क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ग्रोथ तथ मज पजो हर्ब्स तथ मज पजो श्रब्स trees, climbers, creepers. We produce classification of plants on the basis of their life cycle. Thus, we produce annuals, biannuals, and preannuals. Now, today, this chapter broken paknaun parts of a plant. Padvisas parts of a plant. Atmas parts of a plant. Yushu atmas go godnukui. Root system start root system पे it is the underground portion of the plant root that is the underground portion yus sanis zaminas manz his asan chu tat se vana roots kulis yus zaminas manz his asan chu tat se vana roots mool yatas kaishir pait vana ema rootun ch qasam Number 1 go tape root. It is the main primary root arises from lower end of the stem. A number of tiny branches called secondary roots. Example mustard, neem, rose, etc. Tape root given plant must mustards must ya neem ya rose plants sim ch. Issue main primary root that arises from the lower end of the stem ki lower end nishi khasa bechata number of tiny branches variya branches chata asa dimane secondary roots wana fibrous roots kya gai byak qism mein hund a bunch of roots arises from the base of stem example wheat maize etc issue a bunch of roots a guchha rootun hund arises from the base of stem petri neran examples wheat maize etc. Now functions of what we say root system is function kya what is the function of root system number of roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil they absorb water kulis yus zarat su apari rooto kin gasan the nutrients kulis zarat tum apari rooto kin gasan from the soil zameen mas roots help the plants to stand erect agar no roots asan ke kul pe vasit go roots they help it to stand erect khada roznas mas madad devan roots check soil erosion soil agar kun jay zameen neerit ch gasan is the batat lago is kul ke imas roots mig mool yim imas bachavna soil erosions roots store food roots yim they store food for the plant now shoot system root pat vatu is hurkun shoot systems the part of the plant which grows above the soil you should support plant to use above the soil yani zameen hur kun use part ch tat se vana shoot system zameen bon use part ch tat se vana root system ta zameen hur use part ch tat se vana shoot system go now it includes stem branches leaves flowers and fruits means this is a shoot system which is the upper part of the soil hirkun part above that grows above the soil achvana atmas kya hiss chu asan stem chu asan branches chu asan leaves chu asan flowers chu asan the fruits chu asan but chu stem give rise to a number of branches that bear leaves the stem bears leaves flowers and fruits is a stem it give rise to a number of branches kulchi variya branches yim che तुम स्टेम पे खसान यम हसा बियर लीव्स करान फ्रूट्स करान यमन पत ब्रांचन लीव्स खसान फ्लावर्स खसान फ्रूट्स बन नाउ लीफ leaf arises from the leaf base. A leaf usually has a petiole, a lamina. What's a leaf now? Leaf used go panavathar. That arises from the leaf base. Leaf base used to such. That petri khasa a leaf. Achi usually asa petiole. Beishu asan tat and a lamina. Now parts of leaf agres wucho. Petiole, stalk of the leaf with which it is joined to the stem. Stalk of the leaf, you god chu asan, it's no god. Yes, petiole. Stalk of the leaf with which it is joined to the stem. Stalk means this is stalk. This is petiole. Just iki panvatr ये चीज आसान जुड़ित स्टेमस सहित ब्रांचस सहित ये चीज आसान जुड़ित गो ये चीज ना petiole ये पे तुम petiole. This is petiole. Impact leaf lamina, the flat green portion of leaf. Now leaf lamina, this is flat green portion. This portion, ये portion, we call it lamina, flat green portion. Achuna lamina. एक युस यदत छु आसान ये नेबर कुन, युस ये नेबर कुन छु आसान यदत यत छु चुना petiole. यत वनो इस petiole. यत वनो इस leaf lamina. Input छु veins. These are the network of small narrow tube. These are the network of small narrow tube. Network of small narrow tube. Like structures on both sides of the midribs present in the middle of leaf. About it. These yemen chesvana veins. Yem gay veins. These are veins. These are veins. Leaf veins simana. Empad go flower. Flower go. It is the reproductive organ of plant. Flower use that is reproductive organ of plant. As parvash yuti em bronchon parvash inshallah subas.